the pancit palabok of Mana. The crispy pancit palabok, and now he's pouring the sauce. And it started to melt. Yeah, we're gonna mix it now.
Pwede pa dagdagan yung sauce dyan?
Check natin sir, baka kasi umalat sir.
Baka umalan. Ayan po si Kuya. Mix niya na po yung aming crispy palabok. This is Manam Restaurant. Almost there.
Okay na yung sauce dito
See
sir.
you next time.
Okay na yan.
Bye.
Kailangan i-wait